Good morning, tutor Angela and classmate. My name is Juan Fernando Ceballos Gil. I was born in San Vicente Ferrer Municipality, Antioqueño His. I live in San Vicente Ferrer with my mother Gloria. She is my girlfriend Cristina. She is a nurse. I am working in Avon, Colombia, the company for women. I am a maintenance technical. I like to watch movies. My favorite movie is the Pearl Harbor because I love aircrafts. Main church in San Vicente Ferrer municipality. This is a main monument in the San Vicente Ferrer municipality. This is located in the local park in the highest place on the hill. Its construction started in 1759 with a small chapel. This was in order to form a new municipality. Besides, in this time, the church was dedicated to the Saint San Vicente Ferrer because the founders were Joseph and Eusebio Ceballos. They were born in Spain and Saint Vicente Ferrer too. This is a big church with two bell towers and a splint clock. This is a white color. This has a huge columns and arches. Inside the church has beautiful altars with a Spanish style. In these altars we can see holy images that represent tradition, devotion, and faith of the people. Some images in these altars are Virgin Mary, Jesus, Saint Francis, Saint Vicente Ferrer, Saint Joseph, and the most important, the tabernacle. I want to invite you to San Vicente Ferrer municipality because this is a small BJ, but this is friendly, its people is very nice. Besides, you should visit the main church in the local park because this is the most important monument in the San Vicente Ferrer municipality. Thank you very much.